Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have an Asus ROG Zephyrus Duo 16. This is the GX650 series gamer. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. Now you're going to have to remove all of these screws. Keep in mind, this one in the middle, you're going to need a small flat pry tool to pop up this guard to get at that screw. And the screw in the bottom right near the green arrow, that screw doesn't actually come out, but it will lift your bottom plate up a little bit, as you can see in this picture. And that's where you would start prying it up. You would then take a small flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case a lot less than a metal one will. And again, starting in this corner, you're going to go across the seam and separate the panel from the rest of your computer. Don't put your pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Keep it on the edge. Go slow and careful, but firm. And if you get stuck going in one direction, stop. Start here again, go in the other direction until you get that bottom case off. Once your bottom panel has been removed, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, I have it sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging things in your computer when you're working on it. If you guys would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, there'll be a link below in the description. It'll show you a list of tools and supplies that I use in my shop. Beneath that link, there will be another link, and that will give you a list of all of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer. Now, before I touch anything in a computer, the first thing I do is remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. To remove your battery, you have 5 screws. This one up here near the green arrow, this will have a warranty void sticker on it. This black sticker with a red triangle, that's a warranty void sticker. You're going to see those at various places in the computers you work on. What it means is that if you access that screw and you go past that sticker, you're going to void part or all of your warranty. So just keep that in mind when proceeding into your computers when you see these stickers. So I carefully took it off, carefully put it off to the side because I'm going to put it back when I'm done. But after taking those screws out, your battery plugs into the motherboard right here. And this is a snap connector, not a plug. So this white clip right there, you just pull that up and off of the motherboard, and that's how you release it from the battery. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed or at least unplugged, we can proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is over here on the left of my screen underneath this solid state drive. So there's a screw right here on the left. You're going to undo that screw, and you can pull this solid state drive out of this port right here, and then the Wi-Fi card is right here underneath it. You will unscrew it from the top and pull it out of this port right here. I will have the Wi-Fi specs below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will also try to include a Wi-Fi replacement option below in that list I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing to shout out about a Wi-Fi card replacement, if you're having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you're not able to see your networks or sign on to them, it could be a bad Wi-Fi card, in which case you would need to replace it, but it could be something else. So I will have a video tutorial below in the description. It'll help you troubleshoot that type of issue with Wi-Fi so you can rule some other things out, possibly fix it before getting in here to do an invasive repair like this. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside your Duo 16 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.